Hey everybody, this is Bob Kraft from Athenos Ascension. I wanted to talk a little bit about the Convergence Communications Program. So the program was designed specifically to analyze the complaint process, right? The complaint process. Well, the complaint process is something that companies have been withholding from their employees because the complaint process works outside of the grievance process if you have a contract. So what the complaint process is a very precise algorithm for any employee who is being harassed, discriminated against, retaliated against, sexual harassment, defamation of character, or anything like that, so that the employee can complete and build a comprehensive lawsuit against the employer when they bring forth the complaints and the employer does not respond appropriately. What usually happens right now is that when a complaint is brought forward, it's either addressed in a good company with good managers, but in a company that has managers that are not properly trained or are not prepared for the employee to assert their rights, the complaint process will systematically gather evidence. That means even verbal conversations or phone calls, and will make them evidentiary in litigation. And then that employee will move through the company all the way to the top of the CEO, going step by step, line by line, getting proper documentation. And then subsequently, after your investigations from EEOC or your investigations from whatever Department of Labor, whatever government agency, and the lawsuits filed, because it built on this process, making all interactions that are negative evidentiary, the employer will not have a defense mechanism to it. So employees have been ignorant in this process that they've been able to use until now. They actually have this process, and it's refined and it's mathematical and it's very precise. So one employee could do a lot of damage to a company. The Convergence Communications program is specifically designed to mitigate all of those things. And by changing an ideology or a culture, you can actually not get sued, and you can find out who your poor employees are. The fact is, companies want to be in business to make money, and they don't want to deal with employee complaints, and they don't want to deal with conflicts between employees, and they have poor managers. There are managers that have gone into places that they shouldn't be, or that they're not properly trained for, and there's actually nothing wrong with the manager. They just don't understand how the system's supposed to work, and that's what Convergence Communications does. It brings an ideology that allows both sides to talk to each other in a very precise, structured manner. So if anybody's interested, please reach out. I'm happy to do a proposal. I can come in and talk about it, and I think you'll find it very interesting. Okay? God bless. Have a good day.